The 2019 Chevrolet Cruze ought to be a fuel-grumpy person. Until the point that the EPA discharges mileage figures for the 2019 Chevrolet Cruze, we'll need to leave this score clear. A year ago, gas-filled Cruze 4-entryway with a 6-speed program checked in at 30 mpg city, 40 interstate, 34 consolidated, or 29, 39 33 mpg on the Cruze Premier on account of its bigger wheels. With the manual transmission, those figures tumbled to 28, 39 32 mpg. Shockingly, the Cruze hatchback is less streamlined. A year ago, it came in at 28, 37 31, paying little heed to transmission. The Cruze remains solitary in its fragment with a turbodiesel motor alternative, which appraised a year ago at 31, 47 37 with the programmed and 30, 52 37 mpg for the manual transmission. The accessible 1.6-liter turbodiesel inline-4 motor comes in at 137 horsepower and 240 pounds-feet of torque. However, it experiences some turbo slack, particularly with the accessible 9-speed programmed transmission. Once warmed up, the turbodiesel is calm and smooth. On a chilly morning, nonetheless, it rattles and vibrates the whole vehicle. We've not yet determined the Cruze diesel with the 6-speed manual, yet we'll concede that we're interested. Brisk power controlling conveys great reaction around town, and the Cruze subsides into an agreeable journey at roadway speeds. Its tires let in more street clamor than we'd jump at the chance to see from a conservative auto that can hit $30,000 with a couple of alternatives. However, general, it's a hair more refined than generally equals.